Okay, so today's the day. We got the Yellow Jacket here is going to get a new exhaust system put on it. Going to go with the Jones Performance full bore 2¼ inch in place of the resonators. Then the mufflers are coming out, and then instead of these phone charger little ports here that they put on these, which I hate, we're gonna go with a set of dual tips on the back, and we're gonna see what that ends up sounding like. First, I am going to start it up with the stock exhaust on it, so you can kind of hear what it sounds like right now. And then I will do another one later on after everything is done. See if I can get the thing to stand up for me here. Okay.
I'm going to pull this thing back in real quick.
Yeah, quite the difference after driving the truck.